Hello everyone, welcome back to Mouse Code. In this part we're going to start displaying that information to the user. When they type in anything here, it should show here to the user that this is what they have in their database. So let's get back to our coding. I'm going to create a function called function which will be called DisplayData. So that is the data that is being pushed by the person, or whatever data that they have stored in the database will be pushed and called back and be shown to them. So this function will just say var DisplayData equal to DisplayData, then say close it, then we'll say $.ajax URL. Remember previously we made a mistake where we said ULR and it gave us errors. It didn't get to be called. This time we are not going to make that mistake, so we're going to say fetch data.php, not fetch data.php. See again at .php. Then method that we're going to use is post, then data, and it's going to be DisplayData. Then on success function we say data response. Okay, I'll use data since I use response there. We'll say data, then we'll say count results .html .data. Then we're going to call this function down here, and we're also going to call it I think I can call it in here so that it gets to be called. When I call it in here, I don't have to repeat it in here when somebody adds up the expenses. I also don't have to repeat when somebody adds up their balance somewhere here. So let's create the fetch data.php, and I'm going to come here, then say new file, command S, then command V. I've pasted that, and then save. So in here I'm going to say PHP includes db.php, then we say if set post DisplayData, echo DisplayData here. Okay. Let me refresh my browser and see what we have. Okay, so it's working correctly. So it's saying DisplayData here. So this is why we're now going to start displaying all that information that it gets stored in the database. So let's start looking for that information. Query is equal to SQLite query connection, select all from income table. Okay. If this fails, then let it die. SQLite. I don't know if I come up with this word, I die in PHP. Connection. I die. Exit is even okay. I will die. Anyway, let's go. Raw. Go to my SQLite. fetch array query SQLite also income name equal to raw income name. So we are now getting values of the table, the income table. So we have income amount and we have the currency. What I'm talking about are these are the values in here. So let me just look at the structure. So we want to call the income name, want to call the income amount, the currency, and then we call the total income and the income balance, and we call the values by their name. So total income, income balance. Then how we're going to display these onto the front page. So we need some HTML in here. So what we'll do is we're going to break the code, the PHP code, by doing this. Then here we'll write the PHP again so that this does not give us an error. So this is a PHP script on its own, but it's still connecting to this. So here we have broken the PHP, then we're going to push in it HTML. Alright, div, you can even see the color, like the color has changed. Say plus equal to, but let me say well, and then I want to test this. I want to test this. Okay. So you can see that we have a class, a Bootstrap class well, which has been placed here. So this is where now we're going to start displaying the information pertaining to the income, to the expenses, and everything else. So let's see. What we want to display first of all is the income source. In here we say let's create something like this. Say li, say income name. Then here we can put dash Alright, let me not even do this. Let me just do PHP tags in here. PHP echo income name. So let's see what we have when we run this in the browser. So what we have is cash at bank. We need an amount here, but as you can see, let me check. I think I should have more than one income in the income table. So we have cash at bank, we have salary. So we need to display these two. So that's why we're going to do a for each loop. So we'll say, I think we can run a for each loop. We'll run a for each somewhere down here. I want this class well to be not to be run each time, but anyway, let's try this. So say for each query as well. Then I paste in this code. Then here The reason why, because I want each time, everything that I have in here, like the cash, the income name, cash at bank, salary, I want this to be called individually, but I want the total income just to be called once, not to be called each time, as well as the income balance just to be called once. So that's why I'm going to put these 3 in the for each loop, whilst these I'm just going to let them be the way they are, like this. So here I'm going to say row 2, let me row 2, then I'm going to get this and I'll bring it here, then I'll create space there by clicking on tab. So what this does, this is going to cover all the income names. So if I save and I refresh, but we're going to have multiple divs with a class of where. So like this. So you see, cash at bank, salary. So I don't want this to be a big div. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cancel this, then create something like this. I'm going to break out of the PHP just like I did somewhere here. Then I'm also going to create another PHP. So that's it. Define a div here. Give it the name of well, class of well, not a name, class of well. So this div is going to show us the total income, the income balance as well. Possibly, I think I should also do the total expenses before I display data here. Let me create another query that will call the total expenses. So, can I write a combined query? I think, let me just do this. So, write query 2 is equal to my SQLite query colon select all from expenses table or die. Let me just copy this, paste it here, then you say row 2 is equal to MySQL fetch array query 2 MySQL. So you say total expenses is equal to row 2 total expenses. So let's display the total income, the income balance, and as well as the total expenses. So we say here total income is equal to PHP echo total income, then total expenses is going to be PHP echo total expenses, then 12 in the li that says income balance PHP and income balance. So let's save our command S. Then okay, so far we can see total income, total expenses, and income balance. So all we need is to add our currency at the front of every amount. So we can do this. By the way, the currency was defined in here, so we even we just copy this, then I'm going to call it in here. So raw currency, then I'm just going to call currency here, currency 2. This, I think for now, let me just comment it. So say currency, put a dot here, then we can create a space here so that the space between the amount and the currency. 11. We'll put up the closing tag. Okay. So you can see the figures. Since we don't need these spaces here, we just delete and like this, everything looks better. So you can see that the total income that somebody earned is 5,000, then total expenses, and then the income balance. So if you this into this, you remain with this. So I'm going to remove the I'll name this well div. Then let me try to write some CSS that will align this stuff for us. So just come down here and I think I will close the PHP. Let's see, div well border and pixel solid black padding 10 pixels. Something like that. And copy this URL this star now refresh. Display inline sorry inline. Let's try this. So we have them lined up like this. Then we say we need to put a margin here, so we do this, we copy, and then the border 1 pixel solid tomato margin left 10 pixels. Next away, center. So let me try to center this text away. So since we're not achieving this, let me see if I can use a div, say text center. Okay, nicely centered. So just remove this again and just the background. CC. This one not working, so we're padding 6 pixels. Even this one was not working, just like this. Okay, so you can see the income, expenses, total expenses, and the income balance. This is it, what someone has so far. So let me add, which one do I add? Expense. So the expense total, so we're going to say kids fare. You can touch to pay 250 for a child. So you can see that the total expenses, the amount has grown, the income balance, the amount has reduced, while still your total income is the same. So this is what we want. So now we're going to display all the incomes on their own, as well as all the expenses will be listed down, so that you can see where you are spending, where you are taking the money, as well as you can see where your money is coming from. Okay, for now I'm going to end here. Then in the next video we're going to continue to display more information. Thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel and share the videos to your friends so that they can also learn what you are learning. Thank you very much.